spend a long time on the bike, morning on the road, afternoon off-road, and the new BMW R1250GS. It's become a bit boring almost, in as much as it really does do everything very, very well. Almost embarrassingly so. The main difference obviously is the engine. It's new shift cam, bigger capacity and shift cam technology, variable valve timing has given it instant poke from anywhere in the rev range. So you've still got close to 1300 cc's worth of raw power at the top. You've got amazing manners, great torque at the bottom. It really does feel like almost like an electric motor, the way that it just instantly delivers drive. The other changes that they've given, bearing in mind that this one is possibly not I think we're going to get the cast wheels in the UK as standard. You can obviously have the spoke wheels as an option, or with the HP version, which was called the Rally version. It just works so it does exactly as you want it to. With the telelever and paralever suspension as well, you've got a tall bike, but it doesn't dip, it doesn't pitch. You bring the brakes on, it just slows down. Little things like the automatic hill start, where if the IMU of the bike senses that you're above or below 5 degrees, then it automatically, when you pull the brakes on coming to a stop, or even if you've just started the bike, it pulls the rear brake on, and then as you let the clutch out, it lets it off. Do you need it? It's always going to be handy. You're never not going to need it. There's a few funny noises from the engine, especially on deceleration, and it's a bit tappy when you've got your helmet on at slow speed, but from the exhaust it sounds amazing, and I didn't have an issue with it at all. Everything's going to have, a mechanical machine is going to have mechanical noises. You have really only got one position to sit in, but it's a really comfortable position. I believe that one has got a comfort seat fitting. Everything just felt right for me. Even the dashboard display and the programs and going through the menus, it's really quite intuitive. So yeah, have they changed it an awful lot? No, apart from the engine. Is it worth it? If you've got a 2-3 year old GS, I'd say stick with what you've got and enjoy it. If your PCP deal's coming up, then brilliant. It's going to be like having the latest phone after having the previous one. It is a step forward. It is massive improvement. The engine power is fantastic. The rest of the bike is largely the same as the the current model. So don't feel too disheartened if you've just gone and bought a new one. Yeah, an amazing bike.